Yesterday, Zinagoba, class 9. Ngeki yudam mugi mimam. Ngeki yudam mugi mimam. Last time we have done some chapters from grammar sections. So today we will go to the stories of the Dalai Lama, which is very important, which we should know about it. Okay? The topic is Ngeki yudam mugi mimam. Ngeki yudam mugi mimam. Ngeki yudam mugi mimam means my country and my people. Okay, Ngeki yudam mugi mimam, or my land or my people. So Dalai Lama is talking about the Tibet, about his country or his land, or about his people. So let us see what does it mean. Liu Tangpo, chapter 1. Sunam Kipu, farmer's boy or a villager's boy. Chilo Chikong Gubya, Sunju Songa. He Chimpa Dawang Abe Tseganin Nakishings. In the year 1935, he Chimpa in lunar calendar. In the big year, Dawang Abe, 5th month. Tsena, date 5th, Nin Nakishings, I was born. So the Dalai Lama was born according to the lunar calendar 1935 in the big year 5th month on 5th date. Ngayikil He Changsha Kukta Tsel Sheba Kongse Chung Chung Shikdes. I was born in the northeast part of Tibet. The place of the village was Gupta. Tseresheba Kongse Chung Chung, where it is a very small village. Tseresheba Dinis, the miracles happened on the day when I was born was Dögami Gondo Inshins, Dögamshi Lumiri Mingi Tengi Goyu Chemboyus. There are many types of miracles. It occurs when I was born. In the place Dökam, many people have seen the many different miracles on the day. Do Sheba, Rongan Kangel Tamans. Do means where there is a plain area. Kam Sheba, He Shashuk to Yesins. Kam means which is situated in the eastern part of Tibet. Sunny there Kamba Dewa Inns. In that village, only the Tibetan Kamba used to live over there. Dogam Sheba, He Shari Yurigi, Gyana Choba Saku to Yechins. Dogam is situated in the eastern part of Tibet, which is very near to China. Gyana means China. Tapzeni, Gyasoni, Teze, Tokze, Piti Budong use. From the valley of Tibet, it has 9,000 feet tall, where we say Dökam. Lumba de Zeduka de Bashi, Yubama says. That village, Dekam is very peaceful and very beautiful place. Such a thing with Tangchungjun Shigi Pingla Chang is. Dekam is situated on the top of a valley where we can see a very small and very beautiful land. Niegor du Dota Dusoki Shinga Mangu is. Nearby that Dekam, we can see the field of wheat, millet, where the farmers used to grow that. Tangju Dei in Ritam Za Nansaki Kengyu Bares. That small village is covered with the forest, grass, and the jungle, which looks very, very pretty. 동생들이 롱이 리오션에 들어가시 여봐 대의미가 아무리 길이 says in the south part of the village, of that village, there is one village which is known as Amri Kiri. Amri Kiri, the name of village is Amri Kiri. Yulmitsu Rinamla Zukin Yang Selshin. We can say the people who live there are Rinamla Sukhin. The people live in a jungle. We can see that also. Ridir Yulani Paratas. That place is known as the place where the god used to live or God used to stay. Rimela Shinatan Tei Tetu Bangri Tei Zer Tabri Yang Zer Kan Tempu Yojins. Rimela Shinatan. If you look down from that village, we can see a very beautiful trees. Tei Tetu Bangri. If you look at the other side, we can see a very grassy ground. If you look up, you can see the mountain hills. You can see the hills. Then if you look on the top of that hills, you can see a very beautiful mountains covered with white snow. Even in summer, that mountains, that snow never melt. It will be there for 12 months, which makes the place very pretty of that snow. Ridi Changla, Shubhatan, Kamdong, Targa, Seljui, Rik, Sokshin, Degi, Dongpo Mambo is. There we can see many different types of fruits tree like Kamdong Pi, Targa walnut, Sejui Rik, So Shingeki Dongpo Mango is. There we can see the many different types of fruits tree. Medo Even not only the trees, even we can see many different types of flowers which give us very good smells. From the hills, we can see the waterfalls, which makes the beauty of that place. Not only that much, in that village we can see the many different types of birds singing, flying here and there with the different types of colors. And we can see the wild animals like deers, donkeys, monkeys, chimpanzees, Sikh, lions, tiger, bear, fox, nanzo wamuso yejin, nanzo yunmi mangchewa, nangba imbe semchela, duze mache, ta rida namya, jigme par, babeldo de as we being all the Buddhist religions, we love the animals. Because of that, the wild animals are as friends and they don't feel afraid of us, and they used to come near to us and have the fun of that village over there. Rangi ke baze bigi lumba thi usu karma sharson ritu chegi lugyu yang yu tabashi yejins. In that village, there is one monastery, Karma Sharson Ritu, which is very famous. And the monks used to go there and stay there and do the prayer. Gomba de Karma Pakutin Shiva Robidoji Chaktapares. And that monastery was built by the fourth Karmapa. Kutin Shiva is fourth Karmapa, Robidoji. The name of that Karmapa, the fourth Karmapa is Robidoji. As we all know that the present Karmapa is the reincarnation of 17th Gyalwar Karmapa. 17th Gyalwar Karmapa. So you just imagine that monastery, Karma Sharson Ritu, was built by the fourth Karmapa, whose name was Robidoji. Karmapa ni Huna Lame Yangsi Nguzin Chebe Homayins. The Karmapa was the first Rinpoche who was recognized as a reincarnation in Tibet. Karmapa was the first reincarnation Rinpoche who was recognized in Tibet. Gomba de Yura Chubshi Begina Zongaba Chimbe Sanyiki Chigo Tomar Shuna Zebare. That monastery was built in the 14th century, 14th century by Ji Tsongkhapa Chimbo, by the Zi Tsongkhapa Chimbo, Sanyiki Chigo Tomar Shuna Zebare, to establish the first Buddhist religions in that monasteries. Teimela Gombani just down below that, Karma Sharson Ritu, just below that, there is another two monasteries. Teimela Ado Chakul Gomba says, the name of that monastery is known as Ado Chakul Gomba. Gomya Brila Tende Yuebe Chagan Zeishin. That monastery looks very pretty and very beautiful. Gombe Yandu Sezangi Gavendans. That monastery was painted with the golden and the copper. 대신 최규콜로 유효하게 리다미기 타니스 겜바 소유신. And we can see on the top of that monasteries, we can see the two deers. If you go to the monasteries, most of the monasteries we kept in front of the monastery we keep two deers because the Tibetans are the first Buddhist religions who follow and they never harm the animals and they even give preaching to the animals. That is why we kept that two deers in front of the monasteries. Gomba de Yip Gu Zeshi Zecha Jinshi Ma says the shape of the monasteries is very nice, very pretty. Kusu Pudi Mawa Lumbaki Nanga Zajin Shi Yuba Chapa is. And we can see a very precious statues of the Lord Buddha, all the three principles of Buddhist religions. You can see in their monasteries, which is very precious among all over the world of Buddhist religions. So today I'll leave it here. If I teach you more, it will be very long, like giving lecture. So you feel bored, I think so. So continuous, we will do it in next chapter. So this is in your page number 158. If you turn on to page number 158, you will get this topic of your Mima. So the stories are as follows. Okay, so you go through your online classes every day. Don't waste your time. Stay home safe. Be healthy. Take care. Thank you.